So this is the weekly and daily cycle analysis for crude with the weekly chart on the left and the daily chart on the right. Let's go ahead and open up the weekly chart. So for CL, we have a dominant weekly cycle, which is then broken up into these minor thirds that you see here. And we are in a period of risk here, which we've highlighted in yellow, which is showing that we are late in this dominant cycle. When you're late in cycles, that's where there's the highest odds for rallies to fail and for moves on the downside. And you can see this very strong sell-off now here in CL and just getting this little modest uptick. We will look for likely a little bit higher here and then for this to sell off once more. That next weekly low is due 1-2 to 213. If we go ahead and move over to the daily chart, you'll see that this is trying to put in a low. Now, it has not yet confirmed that low, but we are looking for this to get a pop back to the upside into this zone, as I mentioned in the opener, from 81.39 to 83.80. We really don't want to see it over that 86.21 area, and then we will look for this to make a new low as we look out into when this next daily cycle is due to form a bottom, and that's due around that middle part of January time period, in sync with what we are looking for on that weekly cycle timing as well. So this is what the highest odds are. Watch for a pop back to the upside and then for this to sell off likely sharply on the downside, as we now have a bearish slim ribbon and a bearish PO. So some of the evidence here on the short term is negative. Watch for a bear flag and then for this to turn down sharply in /CL.